So hello guys, welcome, and today we will look at connectors. So conjunctions and connectors describe the relationship between two statements. So they describe how two statements are related to each other. Okay, conjunctions and connectors. Conjunctions grammatically join two clauses so that it reads as one sentence. What are conjunctions? Basically, they join two statements, okay, two clauses, so that they read as one statement. For example, he goes to the mall and purchases a watch. Okay, this is an example of a conjunction. What is a connector? Now, connectors are used between two separate sentences. So, for example, furthermore and additionally. So, let's say there is another statement. He went to the theater. Okay. So, how do we join them? This is one statement. This is another statement. We can write furthermore he went to the theater. So do you understand? Conjunctions are used to join two clauses. He goes to the mall and purchases a watch. Okay. So and acts as a conjunction, while a connector connects two sentences which are separated. So furthermore is a connector. Okay. Now we will talk about the rest of conjunctions and connectors. So the first conjunction is and. He will go to the mall and buy a watch. This is one statement. He will go to the mall in one paragraph. In the second paragraph, he will buy a watch. Now we can write he will go to the mall. Additionally, he will buy a watch. Okay. In the first paragraph we have he will go to the mall, and in the second paragraph we have he will buy a watch. So we can write additionally and connect both the lines. Second is but. He went to the theater, but he did not purchase a ticket. Okay. He went to the theater, however, he did not purchase a ticket. So this is your connector. Thirdly, so. He went to the mall, so he bought clothes. But for the connector, we can say he went to the mall, therefore he bought clothes. Therefore is a bridge. It's a connector. Okay. Now for or. He could go to Shimla or to Manali. He could go to Shimla. Alternatively, he could go to Manali. Fifth, while he is at the mall, he thought to buy a new watch. Meanwhile, he is at the mall, he thought to buy a new watch. Okay, so these are your conjunctions and your relative connectors. Again, conjunctions are used for connecting words or connecting two sentences and make them in one particular sentence. Connectors are used as a transition between two paragraphs and connect them together. Okay, this is the basic differences between a conjunction and a connector. Both are what? Bridges to a statement. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot of things. I'll see you in the next one. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button